Better performance, so important, because that's what we are in for business, because we have to perform and make money and have our staff perform well. There's multiple things.
Yet it's in a sustainable way.
Yes,
because we don't want to make a lot of money today and be poor in a year's time. So we want to create something which is sustainable, and I think that's where the difference is between using fear-based approach and a courage-based approach, for example. What about courage is based on sustainability. You want to be able to do this for the next 20 years.
We know all these startup AI companies have tons of money, right? This is where I can go into. And they hire all these people, and they were looking for the big thing, but maybe that business is never going to make money. It's all funded by somebody else. That is the other fear-based process. If you're working with a startup right now that has the potentiality of being really successful, but there's no guarantee, and you're under this kind of pressure, that's the other thing. Feeling safe is another.
You've probably invested from a FOMO point of view, which stands for fear of missing out.
Yeah.
So it's the wrong reason.